There is another possible weave. Let's look at it. Been running the dozer clearing. There used to be a trail here, and I haven't been up here since the ice storm, apparently, or before. Man, this is, I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's right here. No, this don't pick up as good on video. So this is weed right there. The last weed was up there on the ridge, and where I had stopped at was right on the other side of that huge pine right there. Here's a spot where something's bedded down. Big rock. I wonder how long that's been there. Not very long. See how the leaves are still good up underneath of it? I think they build these things. There was a game trail through here. And I think they build these things to camouflage themselves out. Kind of hide behind the deer walking down the game trail or turkey or whatever it is. Gets hit in the head with a rock. I mean, that's, you know, if they can't pounce out at it, I'm hoping to find some more rocks. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm up there holding this down. Then it's weaved in over there. Then you got more weeds right here. This is all woven. Look how it's, I mean, what's the chances of this happening natural? It's all woven. Also got hickory nuts falling. You got this one pulled down over here with this old dead piece on it, and then that place up there. I don't really want to mess it up. But this was all growed up. I mean, you'd have to imagine this was clear compared to what I just went through. I'll show you. I'll walk down through there. I guess it dozer anyway. See how they got all these branches pulled down? It just breaks them up. Pretty amazing. I'll be back in this area tomorrow, so I want to check for tracks then on this new dirt. So to kind of orient y'all, right over there is my hunting shack. Right down here is the pond. The road that I usually take comes up and around the other side of this ridge line, which is actually off of my property. I figured I would open this one back up. They made this trail whenever they were logging and stuff. That's why it's so growed up in here. I've been eating all kinds of blackberries. That's good. Look how thick that is. You can't see where you're going. I would take my knife and mark up on some of the trees that I was going to be shoving over, and mostly the well, we're not alone. Oh crap. I don't have no, I got a pocket knife, I guess. And highly trained attack dog, my other highly trained attack dog's back there in the side by side. I guess guarding it. Okay. Let me get my breath. You can see the dozer way down there. Look how thick this is. I've got the 17 millimeter back in the side by side, but I didn't want to pack pearl around. It's rather warm. So that was the bush talk above me. trying to watch her. She heard it too. But that first noise came from down here. And then up to the left, up behind me, there's some chattering. This has been happening a lot, more frequent. I'm hoping they're not getting mad at me because of the work I'm doing. I gotta trim the dozer right here. I'm done it this way. Then I got a place that goes down here. That's where I parked the side-by-side at. It goes down. And I got a couple of places I gotta fix up on it through there. And then I'll be satisfied that I've done enough today. I'm thinking about putting my pigs in here. I'll enjoy the hickory nuts and the acorns when they fall. Where's a bluebat? Last night we had a bad thunderstorm. And right afterwards, it woke me up. I'm not sure what time it was. But right after, I heard a whoop, and then I heard some chattering and stuff. And I got my phone out, but everything had stopped by the time I done that. Anyway, I got my phone handy. If anything else happens, I'll try to catch it. I'll put the phone on the side-by-side while I do a little bit of work over there. Put my guardrail in.